Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems spun off from Hitachi Limited and took over the Industrial Equipment Division with Hitachi's first product, industrial motors. We always try to find solutions for global environment and energy savings as the best partner with our innovative technology and high motivation. This is our vision: to support the infrastructure of the society and serve as a foundation for affluent life. One of our facilities, Shimizu Division, is located in Shizuoka, which is a picturesque city where the great Mount Fuji can be clearly seen. Shimizu Division is leading industries as a specialized factory of air compressors. Shimizu Division provides the worldwide market with various air compressors which meet needs for environment and energy saving with total engineering achieved by incorporating research and development, manufacturing, sales, and after-servicing. Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems is doing global sales activities based on business service centers in China, Southeast Asia, Germany, and the United States, as well as 3 more manufacturing locations over the world. We serve customers with speed by best mixing manufacturing, sales, and after-servicing. Introducing products, production system, and research and development of Shimizu Division. We have been always leading the industry with innovative technology and continuous quality improvement since we released the Japan First compressor in 1911. Our technology has been receiving splendid recognition from the market. High-quality products are manufactured by the integrated production system in our facility of crude processing, micrometer order high-precision machining, accurate assemblies, and close commercial tests by highly advanced equipments and devices. Our superb quality management system is certified according to the ISO 9001 standard and applied to all the procedures from purchasing materials to dispatching goods. The quality control program includes endurance tests, life tests, and accuracy control by the most advanced 3-dimensional measurement equipments. The Research and Development Group collaborates with the Research Institutes of Hitachi Limited. We are producing the industry-leading products as a pioneer in the field of air compressors. Shimizu Division, Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems, to innovate technologies for providing the worldwide competitive products. Our mission: to meet various needs of customers with speed and contribute to affluent society.